Hello. Mm. Hello, my good people. Welcome once again to your channel, Ready Kid Foods, a channel of amazing recipe, breakfast tips, ideas, African traditional recipe, and event, travel and events. So if you're new in this channel, please consider viewing my videos. Share them with your friends in other social media networks. Please just write a comment or a simile. That will make me happy. Please rate my videos. This one will make me develop my channel, or so make sure you rate my videos and then press on that ring button so that whenever I post in a video, you'll receive the notification. Otherwise, let's get to the cooking. So guys, in our video today, I'm going to make some breakfast tip idea, just like the previous video. I have to balance, guys. Maybe some juices, some food recipe. So breakfast tip. So I'm going to make some easy potato snack again. The easiest way, the first way, especially for bachelor. This is the best recipe for you. So let's get to the cooking. The ingredients I'm going to use for this bread. I have my potatoes here. I have my 3 tomatoes here. I have coriander. I have a cup of milk. I have salt to taste, and then I have a cup of all-purpose flour, and I have mozzarella. So stay tuned. So guys, after this, we I'm going to boil it for 15 minutes. My potatoes have been boiled. Transfer them into a bowl. We remove them. Make sure you smash everything. Then next we are going to cheese. Make sure you take your cheese, mozzarella cheese. Okay, add it here. So guys, already my oil is cooking inside the pan. Just look at my recipe, my breakfast recipe, looking so nice. So guys, you can try this out. It's very simple and easy to make. So thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet in another video. Bye bye. Welcome.